Welcome back to Renovator, the channel where you'll once again find plenty of renovation inspiration. Today, we'll show you how we transformed an old, neglected apartment into a modern and highly functional interior. Make sure to stay until the end to see the final result. Let's get started. With the original layout of the apartment, we faced three major challenges. Let's start with the bathroom. It had only 3.1 square meters, which is definitely too small by today's standards. So how do we solve this problem? We demolished the walls in the small hallway and the bathroom. The wall between the bathroom and the hallway was moved to absorb part of the corridor space. This gave us an additional 0.9 square meters, significantly improving the bathroom's functionality and creating space for a washing machine, a large walk-in shower, and a wide vanity unit. At the same time, moving the bedroom wall toward the hallway allowed us to enlarge the bedroom, making room for a wardrobe and a wider bed. Take a look at how this transformation came together. The next challenge we faced was a tiny kitchen separated from the living room. Instead of keeping it, we decided to turn that space into a new room, which can be arranged as a home office or a walk-in wardrobe. Coming back to the kitchen, we took advantage of the fact that the new bathroom is located next to the living room, which allowed us to connect the plumbing. The living room, with a total area of 24.1 square meters, easily accommodated an open-plan kitchen, a dining area, and a TV zone. This approach allowed us to create a modern living space with better natural light in the kitchen. The interior became more functional, more open, and far more visually appealing. Take a look at how the work on this area progressed. Now it's time for the final result of our transformation. After watching, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more renovation projects like this. See you next time.